Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay, did you check revision worksheet? Maths revision worksheet, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt?
Ma'am, I have doubt in some questions.
Okay. Uh, Rest, Yusuf, Saklen, switch
Yes,
on your
ma'am.
camera.
I'm some doubt.
So let us discuss the doubts first. Saklen, you also had doubt na, in maths?
Yes.
Okay. Yusuf, did you try the questions which was there on Google Classroom revision? It is the paper pattern. Okay, number of questions won't be like this, but it would be on the similar pattern. You would be having MCQ, true, false, then answer the following questions like that. The similar type questions will be there. Okay, it won't be that long. It is just for practice. I have given so many questions so that you practice. Okay, the last one. So I'll be sharing the screen. The worksheet which I gave last. This was the worksheet. Okay. Okay. Now we'll start with, okay, Saklen, I'll start with you today. Tell me which questions you had doubt.
Ma'am, in the second question, for finding the LCM, no, I'm having doubt for the second question.
The previous worksheet, yeah?
Ma'am,
The previous worksheet.
Roman,
Huh? This one, this worksheet or previous worksheet? Tell me.
ma'am, the first one, the first worksheet.
Acha, previous one. Okay. You give me the question. I think I don't have that. Okay, let me check it. Is this the worksheet? Saklen?
No, ma'am, not this one.
Not this one. Okay, then I don't have it. Just
Ma'am,
tell me
can I
the
speak?
question. You just tell me the question. I'll do it
Ma'am,
on whiteboard. Okay.
yes, ma'am. Uh,
Tell me. Find the LCM you're asking.
ma'am, the question is of separating of middle term.
Okay. Splitting of
Ma'am,
middle term
it is
you're asking.
6x. Yes, ma'am.
Just be louder. I cannot hear. Tell me.
6x square plus 11x
Okay.
plus 3.
Plus 3. Okay. This you have to split. Factorize. 6 threes are 18. Rest everyone please try na. क्या होगा? 18 को you have to split into 11. 9 and 2. सिंपल है सेकेंड 6x² plus 9x plus 2x plus 3. 9 2s are 18. 9 plus 2 11x. So 3x common, x plus 3 3s are 9 plus 1 common. Sorry, 3 2s are x. 3 2s are 6. So 2x plus 3. Answer is 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 3. Is it clear, Saklen?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but we will not, make it square like 6 6 is 36. We will not have to
No,
multiply it.
it is not a perfect square. This we see for finding a square when it is in this form 4x square plus 2x plus 1. So just check the first term and last term. These are square, then you can try the whole square formula. But here you can see 6x square. 6 is not a perfect square. 3 is also not a perfect square. So in this condition, you will use splitting of middle term only. Okay, because you need whole square terms in whole square formula. You see here it is whole square 2x का square plus 2 into 2x यहाँ 4x होना चाहिए plus 1 square. So see, this is now 2x plus 1 ka whole square. So this can be 2x plus 1 ka whole square. This you can use splitting of middle term here also. Splitting can be used anywhere, but whole square formula cannot be used over here. क्योंकि यहाँ पे it is not a perfect square. Here you have to use splitting of middle term only. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt?
Ma'am, I have one more doubt on seventh question.
Tell me the question.
Ma'am, can I show you because I cannot dictate that.
Okay, okay, show me the question. Sure.
Ma'am, this one.
Okay, this didn't come in your paper. Okay. Actually, this is not blank. Okay, I'll show my worksheet. Stop it. Stop sharing. Everyone's worksheet it is like that only. ऐसा box
Yes,
box
ma'am.
आया है. Okay. What was the question number?
Ma'am, 7. Roman number 7.
ये वाला ना? This one?
Yes, ma'am, that one.
Just note down this question. This is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Okay, what will be the answer? This is the formula also. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. What is the formula? What will be the option A, B, C, D? Anyone can answer. Calculate and give me the answer. Yusuf, Ahmad, keep your cameras on. Mutabbir, you too. See, from tomorrow you have your test. So please, you have to keep your cameras on. So whatever problem is there, get it checked. Tomorrow, please, during the exam, don't tell me that I have this problem, I cannot keep my camera on and all those things. I don't want to hear. You have to give paper in front of camera only. This is for everyone. Ahmad, Uzair, both of you. Otherwise, I won't send you the question paper also. Or I would deduct marks. Negative marking. Because you don't listen, then I'll have to be strict then. Nobody got this answer. Seventh one, you have to give me the answer. ये बना बनाया formula है. And even if you don't get, just open the brackets and find out.
Ma'am, 2a square minus 2b square.
Yes, the option 2a square plus 2b square is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, now who else has got doubt? Who is next? Mutabir, do you have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which question? Rest everyone, please keep your doubts ready.
Ma'am, question number 4-1, first part.
Question number 4. First part, this one. See, this
Yes, ma'am.
type of question is very common question. How you have to do these type of question is, uh, just see how you will write it. 173 3 times. That means you can write this in this form. 173 3 times is cube, and then 127 multiplied 3 times is also cube. Divided by 173 2 times is 173 square. Then minus 173 into 127 and plus 127 whole square. Okay, now this is a cube plus b cube. If you check this numerator, this is a cube plus b cube. Now if you use the formula a cube plus b cube, what is the formula of a cube plus b cube? Anyone remembers it? What is a cube plus b cube?
Ma'am, a plus b into a square
Yeah,
minus AB plus B square.
plus b square. So using this formula, I'll put this value in terms. Now my a is 173 and b is 127. So a cube plus b cube, using this formula, I'll get 173 plus 127, one bracket. Other bracket is 173 square, make it big bracket, minus 173 into 127 and plus 127 square, b square is this, okay? Divided by whatever is denominator, I'll write the same thing, 173 square minus 1. Why I'm not doing anything over here? Because you can see same thing is there in the numerator also. So I can cancel it down. So this whole bracket can be cancelled by this whole bracket, and you are left with answer 173 plus 127. What is the answer? 7, 8, 9, 10, 0, carry 1, again 10, then 1, 2, 3. 300 is the answer. Understood how to do this type of question? Now, same way, second question also can be solved. How will you solve second question? Iska to answer ho gaya 300. This is now, this is a square minus b square का formula. और नीचे में क्या है? नीचे में तो सिंपल है, 100 माइनस, दिस इज व्हाट, 100 माइनस
4.
4, या 96. अभी इसको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, कीप इट 96 एंड सॉल्व इट एंड सी इफ यू कैंसिल एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द डिनोमिनेटर. डोंट टच द डिनोमिनेटर राइट नाउ, जस्ट सॉल्व द न्यूमरेटर एंड सी इफ यू कैन कैंसिल द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर एंड गिव मी द आंसर. This you have to use 198 square minus 102 square divided by 96. What is the answer you are getting? Are you cancelling anything? A plus b, a minus b you have to use. What is the numerator? Anyone has got numerator? Uzair and Ahmed, why cannot you keep your cameras on? Tell me that. Muazzam, just make me the host.
Ma'am, the answer is 300.
Yes. Why? Because 190, it will be 300 into 96, right? So 96, 96 cancel, you will get 300 as answer. Okay. Yeah. Uzair and Ahmed, are you there in the class? Okay, Uzair has left. Ahmed, if you want to go, you can also go. Did he attend all the classes since morning, Ahmed? I'm asking others.
Ma'am, he was there, but his video was off.
Video is off always.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
he was there.
Ahmed, you have to keep your camera on tomorrow also. So please start it practicing from today. Tomorrow you won't be able to give test if your camera is off. Okay, coming to the next question. Okay, coming to the next question. What other doubt you have, Mudabbir?
Ma'am, question number 5, third part.
Question number 5, third part. थर्ड पार्ट. ओके, यू कैन सी ओवर हियर 1 2 3 4. ये फॉर्मूला से क्या समझ में आता है? You have to factorize. Okay, anyone has done this? 8x cube plus 27y cube minus 216z cube plus 108xyz. Okay. So have you tried a cube minus b cube formula? Have you tried that? Because एक doubt है, it should have, you should have minus. Let me check it. कहीं question भी wrong हो सकता है. 8x cube means 2x का whole cube. ठीक है, और it can be the last term. So I'm writing it over here. 3y का whole cube. Okay. So if it is a and b, so second term will be 3 into 2x का square, 3a square, b into 3y plus 3 into 2x plus 3y का square. Okay. But we don't have x, ये वाला term नहीं आ रहा है. x, y, z we are getting. x, y, z. Okay. Okay. So if we do this, this is how much? 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. So ये तो नहीं है. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, 18 into 3 also this. So that means a cube plus b cube formula नहीं है. So what other formula can we have? This is your a cube plus, this is clearly a cube plus b cube. ठीक है? If you take out something common from here, what do you get? If you take out something common, what can you take out common from here? Z you can take out common. Okay. What else can you take out? Let me write this question on whiteboard. Everyone just copy down this question and write it on whiteboard. Okay. And then do it. Tell me what is the question? 8x cube plus
27y cube
y cube
minus 216z cube
z cube. Okay.
plus 108 xyz.
xyz. Actually ये जो formula है that we have not done. This is, ये भी किसी का cube है. किसका cube है ये? 216. 36 6 का cube है शायद. 36 into 6. हाँ, this is 6 का cube. So this is actually 2x का whole cube plus 3y का whole cube minus how much? 6z का whole cube, and this will be 3xyz. Actually ये वाला formula don't do this because we have not done a cube plus b cube minus z cube 3xyz. ये एक formula होता है, a cube plus b cube plus z cube plus 3xyz. इसका एक, this is one formula. So we have not done this formula, so just don't do this question. ठीक है, you won't be able to, you'll not get this question. I just copy pasted from somewhere, I didn't check it. तो ये वाला सिलेबस में नहीं है, so you won't be getting it. A cube plus b cube plus z cube का formula है, this you won't be getting it. Okay, so don't do that question. Okay, no need to do that. Okay, next tell me.
Ma'am, the question 7 first part.
Question 7, multiply the following ना. So multiply करने के लिए just multiply the constants first. तो पहले कांस्टेंट को मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 11, 13 और -5 मल्टीप्लाई दैट, ये हो जाएगा कितना हो जाएगा? 13 5 is 65. सो दिस इज -65 into 11. कितना हो गया? 11 5 is 55. Carry 5, 11 6 is 66. 66 and then 71 with a minus sign because 1 is minus. Now multiply this, this and this. What will be the answer? Tell me. A का power 2 है plus 1 3 plus 1 4. So a raised to 4. You know when this base is same, powers are added. So 2 plus 1 is 4. A raised to 4. B raised to 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3. So B raised to 3. And C raised to 1. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं and 2. So C 2 plus 1 3. So this is the answer. -715 a raised to 4 b cube and c cube. Is it clear, Mudabbir?
Yes, ma'am.
This you can multiply. ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो. हाँ, 2x से
Yes.
ये तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो प्लस 7 से ये तीनों को, एंड देन सिंप्लीफाई. लास्ट में यू हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई. लाइक टर्म्स को सिंप्लीफाई करना है. ओके, नाउ दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन 8th वन समझ में आया. दिस यू हैव टू, दो मेथड है करने के. एक तो जैसे आई हैव टोल्ड यू x माइनस 13 और ऐसे करके डिवाइड करना है, ठीक है. बट व्हाट इज आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन, दे हैव आस्क्ड समथिंग डिफरेंट. फैक्टराइज द एक्सप्रेशन. सो इसको पहले फैक्टराइज करो and then cancel it. ऊपर नीचे cancel करना है, then divide करना है. Understood? Anyone has done question 8?
Ma'am, I have done.
What is the answer you got after factorizing this? How much you got?
Ma'am, the final answer or after factorizing?
After factorization of the first bracket.
X minus 9 into x minus 13.
Yeah. So this you have to divide by x minus 13. So simply you will cancel it and your answer is x minus 9. Is it clear? When they say that factorize and then divide, so simply you will do like this. When they simply say divide the expression, तो तुमको ऐसे करके divide करना है. X minus 13 and x square minus, you know how to divide this, okay? Is it clear? Because they have asked you to factorize and solve, so you will do like this. पहले इसको factorize करो, you got this one, and divided means upon भी you can write, okay? Divided means you can write upon also, so cancel out. And your answer is this. Okay, next one. What else? Same. Yeah, Mudaffir, all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Muazzam, your doubts?
Ma'am, I had doubt in question number. Ma'am, question number 5, the last part. 6. Question number 5, Roman numeral 6.
हाँ. So यहाँ पे first step is take out common. 54 and 81. What will come out?
Ma'am, 9.
Yes. 9 नहीं. One more 3 will come out. Even if you take out 9 ना, तो अंदर क्या आ रहा है, and x का पावर क्या निकल रहा है, x3 and y, x cube and y will come out. तो 6 हो रहा है यहाँ पे, and y has gone out plus 9 x and y. ठीक है. But see 6 और 9 में से one more 3 can come out. So 9 3s are 27 will come out. x cube y, तो 3 चला गया और एक बाहर, तो 2 plus 3xy. This is the answer, factorization. Okay, 27 will come out. So you have to factorize completely. X cube y, 27 x cube y, 2 plus 3xy. Is it clear, Muazzam? This is your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next one? This one you know how to do. You have to take out 3x minus 5y and 7 common. Anyone has done this question? Anyone has done this? Muazzam, Mudabbir?
No, ma'am, I tried, but I wasn't able to do that question.
You have to ask now then.
Yes.
See, you can see 14 or 7 में से 7 will come out. Okay. And what else? 3x minus 5y का whole square can also come out. 3x minus 5y का whole square, because both the terms have same things. So whole square comes out, तो big bracket लो. यहाँ पे से 7 out हुआ है और whole square out हुआ है. तो 7 2s are 14 and 3x minus 5y का 1 power is left. And यहाँ पे पूरा का पूरा ही outside गया है, so plus 1. Now you simplify 3x minus 5y whole square. ये into 2 है, so 2 को अंदर लेके जाएंगे. 3 2s are 6x minus 5 2s are 10y plus 1. This is the answer. Now understood? When same brackets are there, this bracket will come out. दो terms हैं, उनमें से same thing will come out. outside. So I have taken out and bigger bracket I have kept inside, and you can solve like this. This is
Ma'am,
a cube plus b cube formula. Yes, Mudabir.
ma'am, can we further factorize it with a minus b whole square?
No, when you see, when you do a minus b whole square, you are expanding it. You are not factorizing it. Expansion is not factorization. You are simplifying. Understood? This is already factorized form. Factorize always is in the terms of bracket multiplication. अगर इसको expand कर दिया तो that is simplified. Understood, Mudabbir?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
don't have to simplify. We just have to write the factors in multiplication form. So this is factorized form. You cannot expand it. वो simplification हो जाएगा. Okay. Any other doubt?
Ma'am, but why do we put this +1 over there?
Here?
That +1 you put in the ending, right?
No, see, I took out this. You have two terms over here. If you see properly, you have two terms, right? In
Yes,
both
ma'am.
the terms, what are the things common? 14 और 7 में से तो 7 common है. And 3x minus 5y whole cube and 3x minus 5y whole square. You know that the lower power is common. So I will take out 3x minus 5y ka square common. Whole square common. Now when you take out this whole thing is gone. So second term to +1 हुआ ना. This is plus. So this whole thing is gone out. So it is +1. Understood? And instead of this term, 14 को 7 से divide किया, you got 2. And 3x minus 5y whole cube divided by 3x minus 5y whole square, you just get one term, 3x minus 5y. Is it clear? Muazzam,
Yes.
now why I wrote +1. And
Yes.
now you open the bracket and then this bracket is simplified. Okay, understood. So I took out this whole bracket outside. Okay, any other doubt?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Question number 10 of the multiple choice.
Question number 10. ये वाला?
No, ma'am, multiple choice.
अच्छा, MCQ. हाँ. This one. Coefficient of x square
No.
in...
No, ma'am, wait. 1 minute. Sorry, ma'am, it's question number 8.
8.
The value of.
Value of fx is equal to this much is when x equal to -1. So when this type of question comes, you have to put x की value -1. So when you put x की value -1, just put x की जगह पे just -1 put कर दो. -4 into -1 का square and +3. ये सबसे simplest question होता है. Just you have to be careful with the sign. Now 5 into -1 is -5. -4 into -1 का square, even power, negative का even power, तो it is +1 only. ठीक है? And +3. So basically answer end में हो गया -5 -4 +3. -5 and -4 is -9 and +3. So your answer is -6. This one will be the answer, -6. Okay? -9 + 3, answer is -6. Okay. Any other question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll ask you some questions. √3 is a polynomial of degree. What is the degree of polynomial, this √3? You know that √3 is a polynomial, okay? So what will be the degree?
Ma'am, quadratic. Cubic, sorry, cubic.
Why cubic? Cube तो है ही नहीं यहाँ पे. What
Ma'am,
is the
0.
constant?
Ma'am, 0.
So it's a constant. √3 is a constant. इसकी value 1.732 होती है. It is a constant. इसमें कोई x ही नहीं है. No x means x की power 0 है. When there isn't any x in the polynomial, that means x का power 0 है. And whatever is the maximum power of x is the degree of the polynomial. So यहाँ पे कोई x नहीं है. So that means degree is 0. Okay. Is it clear? So that's why I asked it. Okay. Linear, degree of a linear polynomial, tell me. लीनियर पोलिनोमियल की डिग्री क्या होगी?
मैम 1.
Yes, linear means when the degree is 1, x की degree 1 है. If we subtract this from this, we get what? What will be the option?
Ma'am, D.
D. From this, so x square you will have to write like this, minus minus, yes, correct answer. So minus minus plus हो गया, so 4x square y square is the correct answer. D option. This you can do. Square का मतलब ये मत लिख देना. Tell me answer. इसका बताओ, because test में बहुत लोगों ने mistake किया था. I gave this question in test also. FA में भी दिया था. Tell me 3x minus 4y. Square of this is which option?
D. 9x square plus 16.
This is a minus b whole square. You have to open that. Huh? Many of you wrote this. ये लिख दिया था. This is wrong. Okay, like terms, you know what is like terms. Some of this also you can do. Factorization you can do. This you can do. X key value, this is a linear equation. Open the brackets and solve it. Which of the following is correct? Now tell me the formula. Okay, these are the formula. A, first one, this is B, this is C and D. Which one is correct? Which formula is correct?
Ma'am, B. D.
Yes, B is correct. A square minus 2AB plus B square. Which of the following is a binomial? Tell me, 15th one.
Ma'am, A.
A is wrong. Why? Because if you solve it, it is 7a plus a. Actually, it is 8a. It is a monomial. It is not. They have written it like that, but actually it is a monomial. Binomial means two terms. So this is binomial. D. This is three terms. So trinomial. This is only one term. So monomial, because this all multiplied. So it is one term only. Got it? Two terms. So it is binomial. Now this one also you can do. Similar question I have given you in FA also. This one, tell me what is the answer. 17.
Ma'am, A. 10,000.
Okay, how did you do this? 75 square plus 2 into 75 into, which formula you used, Muazzam?
Ma'am, A plus B the whole square.
Correct. So A is 75 and B is 25. So 100 ka square is 40. So A is correct answer. Which of the following is a polynomial? Tell me. Which of the following is a polynomial?
Ma'am, A.
A cannot be a polynomial because x root में है. Polynomial में x का root and x का negative power and x in the denominator is not possible, right? So which one is a polynomial?
B. Maybe.
This can't be the polynomial. जब नहीं आता है तो just see कि कौन सा नहीं हो सकता है. So this can't be because square root है. X numerator, x denominator, this is also not possible. This is also not possible, x in the denominator. यहाँ पे क्या है, just check it carefully. ये इसकी value जो है 3, x raised to 3 by 2 and नीचे में x raised to 1 by 2 है, which makes it minus 1 by 2 in the numerator, right? Power same होता है, तो you know division में it gets subtracted, numerator में जाके you get a negative power. So basically if you simplify this, what is it? X square plus 3x, 3 minus 1 is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is what? 1. So basically you are getting 3x square plus 3x. So this is a polynomial. Is it clear? If you simplify, this is a polynomial. Others you cannot simplify. It will be a negative power hai. It is wrong. It cannot be polynomial. This cannot be. This cannot be. So this is Using identities, you can do this type of question. We have done many in class. These are important question. Usually you get 3 marks for this. I gave an essay also, type of question. Some of you made mistake. Only Farhana did it correctly, 100%. So, Muazzam Mudabbir, you made mistake in the last step, and rest everyone did wrong. So please, this is important type of question. These type of questions are important. X plus 1 by x की value दे रहेगी, and then you have to find this. Or a plus b and ab given है, you have to find this. Or x minus y. So these three variety of question I have given you. These questions you have done in exercise. So based on that, you can do. Factorization of 2x plus 4y is, what is it? Tell me.
X plus 2y. X
2
into
into,
2 into x plus 2y.
how will you factorize this? Factorize form of this.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
Ma'am, 2y
2y
minus 3 whole square.
correct. 2y minus 3 whole square. This one bracket is given. What will be there in the other bracket?
Ma'am, 103 plus 102.
Correct. On simplification, this is what? This is actually 3 into x plus 3 upon 3. What will you get?
X plus 3.
Correct, x plus 3. Acha, this is repeated question. Factorization is the same question. Numerical coefficient of ABC in this is what? What is it?
Minus 37.
Minus 37. Okay. These are simple questions. The question paper is very simple. Simple type of questions only you will get, but conceptual questions you will get. Okay? Say true and false. What is it? True or false? First one.
False.
ma'am, false.
Because it is a whole square. Okay. Factors of this are a plus b and a plus b. Correct or wrong?
Ma'am, true.
Factors are a minus b and a minus b. Why? Because it is a minus b ka whole square. Okay.
Ma'am,
So this
false.
is, yeah. This you can check it, factorize karke ki whether it is correct or not. Is this a monomial?
False.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
This is true.
true.
All these terms are ABC only. See, ABC, ABC, ABC. Actually, it is 3 ABC. आगे पीछे लिखने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. B C A लिखो, A B C लिखो, C A B लिखो. It is same thing, right? So ABC, ABC, ABC. So it is 3 ABC. It is a monomial. This you can find out and see whether you are getting same answer or not. This we did. Okay, some word problems from linear equation. These linear equation just solve for practice 4, 5 I have given you. Let's do this question. This one, find a number such that when 5 is subtracted from 5 times that number, the result is 4 more than twice the number, and give me the answer. Or you can give me the answer in chat. Privately, give me the answer in chat. Find the number. So you have to suppose the number. Okay. Okay, you have got Mozam. This answer you are giving me?
Yes, ma'am. The 10th question, right?
10th one, yeah. Okay. Okay, others also solve it. Those who have already done can give me the answer. Okay, Farhana is also giving. What is the equation? Anyone has, except Farhana and Muazzam, give me the equation. Who will give me the equation? When 5 is subtracted from 5 times that number. What is the equation, Saklen?
I'm typing.
No, give me the equation, just equation.
Ma'am, 5x minus 5
Yes.
is equals to
Or
5x minus 5 plus 4.
no, something else is the question. When find a number such that 5 is subtracted from 5 times that number, the result is 4 more than twice the number. So 5x minus 5 is equal to 4 plus 2x. Is this the correct equation? Did you get this? Muazzam, Farhana, did you get this equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So 5x minus 2x, यहाँ पे कर लिया 3x और इधर 5 4 9. So x is equal to 9 by 3. Answer is 3. Okay. Now do this one age question karo and one numerator denominator. Question number 12.
Okay.
Okay, Farhana has given me the answer. What is the question? Okay, what are our ages now? Our ages means my age and my son's age you will write. Okay, both the ages you have to mention. Only son's age nahi. Okay, Farhana has given me the answer. Others also give me the answer. How will you do? Present age. What is the present age? Whose age are you supposing? Son's age after 6 years nahi. Pehle to you have to suppose son's age is X now and present age of your present age. Okay, my present age. Son's age is X. Okay, I'm doing it those who have not got. Son's present age. So my age 5x. My present age. Okay. In 6 years time, after 6 years, I will be 3 times. पहले 6 years का बता दो. Son's age 6 years में son's age x plus 6 and my age 5x plus 6. ठीक है. According to the equation, I will be 3 times as old as he will be then. तो इसका age है x plus 6. X plus 6 का 3 times will be my age. This will be your equation 5x plus 6. ठीक है. When you solve this equation, I'm solving it over here. 5x plus 6 equal to 3x plus 18. So 3x इधर आ गया. 2x is equal to 18 minus 6. 12. So x is equal to 6. So son's age is 6 years. Son's present age 6 years. And my age is 5 times. So 30 years. Correct answer, Farhan. So I think you can solve rest of the question on your own. These are the linear equation question. Just a few questions I have given you for practice. Some I gave you in the previous worksheet also. So this way you can solve. Any doubt is there, you can ask right now. 5 minutes are there. Otherwise, we'll wrap up the class now. Okay. Any doubt, any question is there? No? Anything in science? Any problem in science? Science you are having tomorrow, na? So just go through, just do answers properly, write answers, mention point, दो marks है, 2 point है, तो mention 2 different points, okay? And clearly. Unit, be careful with your units, SI unit, and the relationship also. The formulas, all the formulas for everything, velocity, speed, then force ka formula, second law ka formula, everything you have to remember. Weight ka formula, upthrust ka formula. Upthrust depends on what factors, Archimedes principles, all those things, whatever laws we have done. Okay? So everything, just do it properly. Okay? So all the best, do well, and it is very simple paper. अच्छे से marks आ जाएंगे. You have enough time to solve it also. So tomorrow 10 a.m. you have science paper, right? Everyone. So be ready on time. Those who will join, I'll send the question papers to them only, and those who keep their cameras on. Fine? Okay. So that's all. See you in the next class tomorrow in test, and all the best. Bye bye.